Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix IOMMU is disabled error in FACEIT Anti-Cheat.
Fix 1. Enable IOMMU in BIOS Step 1. Restart your PC and enter BIOS EFI. Usually press Del, F2 or F10 during boot. Step 2. Find IOMMU or AMD IOMMU Intel VT, D under Advanced or CPU configuration. Step 3. Set it to Enabled. Step 4. Save changes and exit BIOS. PC will restart. Fix 2. Enable virtualization in BIOS Step 1. Enter BIOS EFI again. Step 2. Look for Intel VT, XVT, D or AMD SVM IOMMU. Step 3. Set it to Enabled. Step 4. Save and restart. Fix 3. Update BIOS Step 1. Check your motherboard manufacturer's website for the latest BIOS update. Step 2. Follow their instructions carefully to update BIOS. Step 3. After updating, enable IOMMU as in Fix 1. Fix 4. Check Windows features. Step 1. Press Win plus R. Type optional features. Press Enter. Step 2. Make sure Hyper-V is enabled if using virtualization. Step 3. Restart PC.